Hello, students. So, very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to Exam B. I am your host, Anshuman, English faculty. Students, in this video, we are going to solve a few error detection based questions. So, here is the first question. Please read the sentence. Take your time. Okay, I'll be uh, I'll be directly solving these questions because this is a recorded video, right? So, you must pause the video to take your time and solve the question by yourself. And after that, when you have come to your conclusion after like what may be the possible answer according to you, you must check or match the correct answer in this video, right? So the first says, I visited Ram's and Sita's house and found the couple missing, right? So there may or may not be error, right? You have also an option called D, that is no error. So if you check, this sentence shows us possession, right? We have two nouns or two subjects, right? So what is the rule? Whenever we have two nouns or two subjects, and the sentence wants to show possession, right? Possession to both the nouns or both the subjects. Then what do? We make only one subject possessive, right? So both the subjects, both the nouns do not have to be in possessive case. As you can see, both the nouns contain apostrophe s. This is wrong, right? We need to make only one noun possessive, and that's need to be the later one. That is the noun in the last, right? So had it been here three nouns or four nouns or more than four, five, six, etc., right? Number of nouns. Okay, we would place only apostrophe s only in the last subject or the last noun, right? So there's no need to make Ram possessive. We'll remove Ram, remove apostrophe s from Ram, and it should be only Ram, right? So the sentence should be, I visited Ram in Sita's house, right? Had it been here Ram, Shyam, Sita, right? So we would say Ram, Shyam, and Sita's house, right? So please remember, we make only one noun in possessive case. So the answer will be B. Next question. The English teacher gave him a homework to complete that by night positively. Right? Okay. I'll tell you two things here. First thing, check this English teacher. Please note that when we are referring to a teacher who teaches English, grammatically it would be wrong to say English teacher, right? Because when we say English teacher, so this word English doesn't refer, uh, it may not definitely refer to the subject, English language, but it may also refer to ethnicity. For example, a British teacher, a English teacher, just like an Indian teacher, right? Or an American teacher, a French teacher, right? Okay, but we may also say English teacher, right? So if you do not have any error at all in this sentence, you perhaps could go with this part. But we do have we have an other error that is more that is visible clearly, right? So this is in this part, a homework. So we will skip this English teacher. We will consider it correct because it may be possible that the teacher can be English, and also sometimes we may say English teacher, right? Though it is grammatically, if we say purely, it is not correct. But yeah, English teacher, it can work, right? So a teacher who teaches English. So here you see this noun, that is homework. Okay, homework, right? Homework is a type of work, right? Classwork, homework. Work is what? Work is an abstract noun and it is an uncountable noun, right? Now, regardless, whatever that work is, we will consider this homework or whatever work is it, right? Uncountable, right? Uncountable. Hence, we do not need to place any article here. So it should be just gave him homework, not a homework, right? So answer will be B. Next, I know nothing about her whereabout, right? I know nothing about her whereabout. What do you mean by this? This whereabout doesn't make a sense here. It should be whereabouts, right? Whereabouts means information about a person's origin, where that person has come from, where that person was born, right? Or where that person belongs to, right? Whereabout doesn't make a sense here, like this whereabout. it needs to be a noun, and that is whereabouts, right? So if I ask you about your whereabouts, you will tell me that where you were born or where you come from, right? So C will be your answer here. Next question. All the women teachers are agitating against the haughty attitude of the principal. You see, women teachers, okay? It is correct to say women teachers. Teachers who are female or female teachers, we can call them women teachers, right? But there's a little mistake here. It should be actually in plural form, right? The noun, that is woman, it should be in plural form, and hence we will change the vowel from A to E. So it should be women teachers, not woman teachers. So A is your correct answer. Next question. You and Marcel will enjoy the function being arranged in honor of the new principal, right? Now you check the spelling of principal is correct. This principal means a person who is at high position, like principal of a school, right? So it is correct. And here, but the error is here, you and myself, right? It's very easy error and a very common error, right? That we are taught when we study pronouns, right? This this case is in reflexive, or we can say that this is a reflexive pronoun, myself. We do not require this pronoun to be in its reflexive case, or we do not need a reflexive pronoun here. It should be in subjective case. Hence, we will place I, you and I, right? Please note, we will not use me, because see, these two are the people who will do something. So what they will do, they will enjoy the function. Hence, because these two are in subjective position, so we will use subjective case for the both the pronouns, right? So you is both you in subjective and objective case, but I, me, right? These two differentiates. So I is used in subjective case. Hence, we will place I. So the answer will be part A. Next question. As a student of arts, you are much better than him. As a student of arts, you are much better than him. See, please do not get confused about much better. Better is an adjective, and here, okay, see, it is in its superlative form, right? Better. Now, I'm sorry, it's in like a comparative form, right? Now, you please note that we do not, we can place much here, right? We can place much here. We are not using more or most, right? We are not using more or most here, right? We are placing much. Much is, we can use much, this determiner, even with comparative or superlative form. For example, much cheaper, right? Or much taller, right? But we cannot say more taller or more cheaper, right? We cannot use more, but we can certainly, or most, but we can certainly use much, because much is simply used to show that something is in good quantity, or something is in the something exists in a plethora, right? So this is correct. You need to check this last part. See, when you have two pronouns that are being compared with each other, right? So the pronoun should be in subjective case, right? Hence, instead of him, we will write he. So it should be, you are much better than he, right? It may sound, maybe it may sound weird, but no, this is the error. This is the rule that we have, right? There are many places which only use uh, the subjective case, right? And some use objective case. So the answer will be part D. Next, he asked for permission to go to the cinema, but his mother did not give. See, here we are told that someone asked for a permission, right, to go to cinema, right, to his mother, right? But then it is being said that his mother did not give. Now we may ask the question that what did her mother not give, or what was not given? This is not clear, right? This sentence is incomplete. Give, right? See, give is a transitive verb. It should require a direct object here. So we need to say that what actually was given or not given. So we can either place a pronoun here, it, that would refer, to permission, or we can simply say did not give permission. So the whole sentence should be like, he asked for permission to go to the cinema, but his mother did not give it, or did not give the permission, right? So please note that this sentence would be incomplete without any object here. So we need to place an object here. So thank you so much, students. In this video, This is all. We did seven, a few error detection based questions. So I hope you understood each and every question and each and every explanation that was given to you. In case you have any query, you can certainly comment down below and you can ask a query. Or if you have anything to say, you want to connect with me, you can certainly approach us, right? In the comment, you write your message, and whatever query you have, you can certainly ask. So thank you so much and have a good day. Take care, study well, and bye bye.